Hey guys, welcome back. So in the previous video I have explained about the first 30 legal maxims, and in this video we will be seeing the next half of the list. Okay, so yeah, we'll start. '31. Injuria sine damno. Injuria sine. We already saw the word damno sine injuria, and this one is injuria sine damno. Injuria meaning injury, sine meaning without, and damno meaning damage. So injuria sine damno, injury without damage. So that is some sort of injury, but there is no legal damage in the case. Okay. 32. Interest Republican. Interest Republican. Ut sit films litium. Interest Republican ut sit films litium, which is, it is in the interest of the public that there should be an end of lawsuit. It is in the interest of the public that there should be an end of lawsuit. Intravires. Intravires. Within the powers. Intra means within, and wires meaning powers. Intravires within the powers. Just 30. Just 30. The right of a third party. Here, 30 means third party, and just is the right. It is the law. It is the right of the third party. Lis pendens. Lis pendens. Pending suit. Pendens meaning pending, and lis meaning suit. Pending suit, any case that is pending in the court of law. Mens rea. Mens rea. A guilty mind. So we already saw this sentence, which is actus non fecit trium nisi mens et rea. The act does not constitute, the act also constitute of a guilty mind. So this one is mens rea. What is mens rea? It is a guilty mind. Masne profits. Masne profits. The profits received by a person on wrongful possession. The profits received by a person on a wrongful possession. If some person is acquiring some, for example, A is a neighbor of B. B is going abroad, so he asks A to take care of his horses. Okay. So in the meantime, when B is not in the city, he sells the horses and he gets money in return. So it is the profits he is receiving under wrongful possession of the horses. Okay. So it is masne profits. The profits received by a person, which is A, on a wrongful possession. Wrongful possession of the horse, of somebody else's horse. He did not own the horses. He just he's just taking care of the horses. He is not owning the horses. Next one. 38. Nemo det quod non habet. Nemo det quod non habet. No man can't transfer better little than be himself. No man cannot transfer better little than be himself. 39. New bis vinpro et. This one is a wrong one that has been erased. I'm going to skip it. Nol prosec. Nol prosec. To be unwilling to prosecute. Nol meaning not willing, which is unwilling, and prosec meaning to prosecute. Okay. Nol meaning unwilling, and prosec meaning prosecute. Nol prosec, to be unwilling to prosecute. Obiter dicta. Obiter dicta. An opinion of law not necessary to the decision. The opinion of whom? The opinion of the judge, which is not necessary to the decision. So it is the personal opinion of the judge. Okay. 43. Onus probandi. Onus probandi. The burden of proof. Probandi, which is proof, and onus, which is the burden. Onus probandi, the burden of proof. Pacta sunt servanda. Pacta sunt servanda. Pact must be respected. Pact must be respected. Here, pact meaning the law for the veterans who work in the places where they have exposing gases and liquids, etc. 45. Pendenti light. Pendenti light. During litigation. Light meaning litigation. Pendenti meaning during. During litigation. Per capita. Per capita. We have used the term per capita in economics, which means per head, to denote populations, etc. Okay. Per incurrium. Per incurrium. Through inadvertence or carelessness. Through inadvertence or carelessness. Per stripes. Per stripes. By stocks. By stocks. Plenum dominium. Plenum dominium. Full stocks. Full stocks. Pro bono publico. Pro bono publico. For the public good. Publico meaning public, and pro bono. And pro bono. Bono means good. Pro means for. For the good of the public, which is pro bono publico. For the public good. Ratio decidendi. Ratio decidendi. Grounds for decision. Principles of the case. Decidendi meaning decision. Ratio decidendi. Grounds for decision. Principles of the case. Res geste. Res geste. Connected facts forming the part of same transaction. Connected facts forming the part of same transaction. Res ipsa liciter. Res ipsa liciter. The thing speaks for itself. The thing speaks for itself. Res judicata. Res judicata. A matter already adjudicated upon. Judicata meaning adjudicated. A matter already adjudicated upon. Res nullius. Res nullius. An ownerless thing. A thing, for example, a piece of land, or a pledge or a mortgage, which do not have any ownership. There is no owner in that particular pledge or mortgage, which is res nullius. Nullius meaning no, which means no, which is a negative word, nullius, which is nullius ownerless. Res nullius and ownerless thing. Status quo. Status quo. Existing position. Status is the position and quo existing. Status quo existing position. Sub judice. We also call it res sub judice. Sub judice in course of adjudication. So we have res judicata and res sub judice. Res judicata, a matter already adjudicated upon, and res sub judice is in course of adjudication. It is a process, and while res judicata, it is the end product. 58. Sui juris. Sui juris. One's own right. One's own right. Suo moto. It's not moti, it's motto. Suo moto. Of one's own word. For example, there are two. If a company comes into liquidation, and we have two modes of liquidation: liquidation by the company, by the directors of the company, and or by the ROC. So, if the ROC gives notice to the company, it's ROC suo moto gives notice to the company. It's ROC's own words. It's one's own according to one's own words. Okay, it's suo moto. 60. Ubi jus ibi remedium. It's not reni whatever. It is Ubi jus, ibi remedium. Where there is a right, there is a remedy. So wherever there is a right being declared, there is also a remedy. Ultra vires. Ultra vires. Ultra meaning beyond, vires meaning powers. Ultra vires, beyond the powers. Volatile non-fit injuria. Volatile non-fit injuria. Risk taken voluntarily is not actionable. Risk taken voluntarily. Volatile meaning voluntarily is not actionable. So that is all. We have come to the end of the legal maxims. If there is any other topic you want to cover, you can of course mention it in the comments down below. Until then, thank you for watching till the end.